Here's a nice little lock from the one and only Coach. Little corbin. Crack of that. Real tickle of that. What I've had to do, I've made a pick, really thin, fine pick, a little bit delicate, but it's the only thing I can get in this bugger. So, because it's so thin, it's difficult to find if a pin's springing or not, because the bloody thing springs. But enough of the chat. Let's see what we can get away with. Plenty of counter rotation. It's got to have spools in this, unless it's, I don't think it's a wafer. No, it can't be, can it? Because the hook I've made is so small, it's hard to keep on top of it. No, they're all springing, so we've overset something there. Little fighter. No fun if it was an easy one, would it? Right, we're off. Come on, little bugger. Yes. I quite like that one. Thanks, Coach. Right little fighter that way. Little corbin. Cheers, buddy.